Hello and welcome back to Vocabulary Booster. Today we move to unit number 11, Nature. Look at the picture. This is a giant panda. Giant pandas are an endangered species. They are living in danger. We humans affect their lives so much that only a few of them still survive nowadays. That means we do a lot of things to them. We hunt them and destroy their homes, so only a few are still alive nowadays. In the wild, they are scattered in some places in China. That is, you can only find one panda here and another panda there. In captivity, or in zoos, pandas are raised by animal lovers. That means those people love them and take care of them. However, living in zoos prohibits them from producing offspring. That is, when they live in zoos, they cannot give birth to young pandas. We hunted them in the past. Now we have to protect them. Humans must coexist with nature, not destroy it.